Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are going to be painting with the 3-compartment split cup today. I've got 9 cups filled with mixed paint and pouring medium. So I'm gonna go over the colors with you. As you can see, there's 3 main colors and then varying shades. So our first 3 here is turquoise blue. So this is turquoise blue here. This one is the same color that I've darkened with ivory black. And this one I've lightened with titanium white. And we got our purples. So this one here is deep violet. Then the somewhat lightened one, and then I've lightened it more. And then our last ones are cadmium red deep hue. So this is the cadmium red here. I've darkened it and slightly lightened it. I didn't want to get pink, so had to be careful. But my plan for these is I'm going to be layering them turquoise, purple, red, from darkest to lightest. So remember, the first color in is the last color out. So I'm gonna get that done and then I'll be back. There we go, all filled up. So again, I had 9 cups of paint. I had 50 grams of mixed paint in each cup. It's mixed 1 part paint to about 1.5 parts pouring medium. Pouring medium is 70% PVA glue, Elmer's glue wool, 30% water. Most of them I had to add a little bit of extra water just because they were too thick. But we're gonna do on this 14-inch canvas a straight pour, and I'm gonna do a little bit of turning on the cake spinner, then we're gonna spin it out. So I'm hoping we'll get a cute effect, lightest to darkest, from outside to inside, if that makes sense. Trying to keep my hand straight. Still on the lightest colors, it looks like. That light purple is looking very pink next to the red. I think I'm seeing the second shade now. Like, I want a bit of a twisty pattern, that's why I'm slowly turning the cake spinner. I feel like I've moved over a little bit, slightly off-centered. Okay, I can see the darker shades coming out. As I said, I wanted lightest on the outside, darkest on the inside. This has taken a while to empty. But my paint is quite thick. I like a thicker mixture for any of my split cup spin outs. There, I can see the dark red now. Get a bit more paint out. My hand has moved quite a bit. Was not my plan. So this has turned from a straight pour to a wandering straight pour. Okay. There we go. Just gonna take my bamboo skewer, straighten here. That's a bit better. So definitely looking really interesting. I'm gonna move the paint just a little bit. This has to come off centered a bit. And we're gonna give it a torch. So I did make up my paint yesterday, so I've let it sit for, over 12 hours, overnight. But I still got lots of air bubbles. So we're gonna give some gentle spins. Start to spin this out and see what happens. So it turned more into a ring pour than a straight pour, but that was from my hand wandering. There, it's starting to move out now. It's amazing how that light purple looks very pink next to the red. I didn't even think of that when I picked the colors. I was thinking, well, blue and red is going to give you a bit of a purple, so let's put that color in there. I'm going to give it another torch. I know I have more than enough paint on here because I did one before this one with 400 grams of paint. It took a little bit of a couple extra spins to get it covered. So in this one's 450 I had mixed up, 450 grams, and only 2 of the cups I didn't fully empty. There, we've started to go over. So it looks like we're going to lose a lot of the lightest color. That's okay. I did try putting my big tacks, push pins, into the bottom of this one, but because it's round, it's not wood on the back of it that the canvas is attached to. It's a compressed like particle board, and my push pins were just falling right out. So I was a little sad about that. That's looking really pretty. I'm gonna torch again. Lots of torching, just because there's so many air bubbles. We've gone over quite a bit now. I got right there to go over, and on that side. Couple more spins and it should be pretty good. I'll probably have to finish spinning off the paint off camera just so I don't bore you. Because now I got to use the underside of the cake turner, hold on to that and spin it. I can't believe I got the ring pour effect when I wasn't doing a ring pour. That's pretty neat. But I guess I was spinning it. So there, I'll stop it there. So what do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the color combination? I think it looks pretty neat that we got the turquoise on that side and the red on that side. And then I know the camera's not picking it up, but this is more purple up here. So it's the red and the turquoise coming together and then the purple kind of showing. So I think that looks really neat. I really like that. So hopefully I don't lose too much of that. As I said, I got a couple more spins to do off camera. But this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.